So what's your rent and question? Also between Benjamin Sesko and Hugo Ekitike, when I met discussing this morning. And it's obvious. The striker of the moment, Benjamin Sesko. I know baby will be a me panicha on Fanchame. Say you coach back on a 9 yard. Na I don't know after watching the Benjamin Sesko, no. But we say, oh yeah, a combination of prime Luis Suarez and a Cristiano Ronaldo. Benjamin Sesko. Sa Benana Ronaldo on a prime Cristiano Ronaldo. Sa time no okatana ni kura no asegu no. Luis Suarez, Richardo no obobo ndia atonet no. Combined, these two combined, and I can come boom. Ubenya Benjamin Sesko. Nti Sesko baby obia no, I'm sorry. Say now you good striker. Na papa ba kono na. Answer ni mai. Kofi. Yanko na some more top 5 there all discuss here there. Yanko to Manchester United Street na yen discuss it in there right now.
Senior.
Yanko.
This season top strikers in English Premier League ne Sesko nkan. I won't argue with you. I'm just making my statement. What cast out there in detail. I'm saying my new strikers about Premier League in this season. Oh my God, this season. Top 2. Ekitike and then Joao Pedro. Sesko nkan. What can you say? Ukas
That's a topic now reason and can't topics I discussing this morning.
Uka will be as a
no
problem. Now see all your joints now he's better than Ekitike. Also better than Ekitike.
Benjamin Sesko now who is here no.
Who say he's better than Ekitike? One kasa.
Prime Cristiano Ronaldo
is better than Ekitike, Richardo.
On better than
for you, and I said, okay, fine, you said yours. I think, say, top strikers you told me this season, on can who be? Go say no, I say. Ekitike ni Joao Pedro, she go si debia, Ebo Champions League. Utene baku boxing ball baku share. Yeah, you are sorry.
Oh, taxes in my home.
Oh, taxes me.
Oh, taxes we. Some people say taxes we mean me.
And I thank you, Gerard Bowen. I'm grateful. What else has we said? You are grateful to Gerard Bowen. And I only Saturday remember to watch it. You are grateful to Gerard Bowen. That's why I'm out. I don't know what I'm kind. I said, well, I'm about $200,000. Hey. Just I get it. Thank you, Gerard Bowen. I'm grateful.
First time, what's sound off? I didn't granny.
Hey, you. H. Kofi. Yakoba, top 6 names aside. This season, it's important to move the conversation away from top 4 to top 5 and top 6 because Obeka last season, 5 teams from England that qualified for Champions League, And it's very likely that this season it's going to be 5 teams again that will qualify as per the UEFA coefficient. So even if you look at the first round of the Champions League, England clubs 6 and 5 are qualified. So it's very likely that England will get another 5 set of spots again, which is very, very good. And we'll discuss on top 6, which the first, second, and third, even for fourth, did not change. And even fifth, if a top 6 didn't answer, you could be weekend in the Bayern. Because Arsenal share, Man City ball draw, Aston Villa Jumano, Manchester United won, Chelsea won, and Liverpool also won. Now let's take the games one after the other. Which, when Arsenal were going to Elland Road, me and him say Liverpool called Marco dropping points. Man City a break a crowd. Chelsea had lost the game over there, so it can be a little bit tricky. But for Arsenal, it was about getting back into winning ways. Yatinefi, Yentinya against Manchester United. People are beginning to ask questions of whether we can really play and get a result. Yakobo in the Champions League 3-2 against Kerat Amati. We've made it perfect score Champions League in him. Can we keep on when it comes to the English Premier League now? Although it's at the Elland Road, they went ahead and got a job done. Urge solid performance from Martin Ibanez, Zubimendi, Victor Gyökeres, Gabriel Magalhaes, Noni Madueke, Piero Nkapi, all of the Arsenal team. And I think that it's back to where we were, as we were. The quality of play from Arsenal, no? 2 draws between that. A winless run, no, has finally come to a stop.
Oh, a
very good player. Very good player. Now, he did Madrid in Comona. See how Madrid are suffering with CMs. And Zubi is at Arsenal playing freely. And it's if it's 3 games and Arsenal here winless, no, they managed to go and make 4 goals to 0 against Leeds United. Noni Maduike is so on and off. And in the Champions League game against Manchester United, Arsenal fans were a little bit uncomfortable for his performance, but this weekend he came back and he had delivered. Again, a little bit of a knock to our branch friend Bukayo Saka, but then the team is fit again. Kai Havertz a goal, our branch friend Victor Gyökeres 2 goals, and our branch your friend Gabriel Jesus a goal in there as well. And Rich, Arsenal centre forwards are not coming back. We've said that they don't have a star man that gets them loads of the goals, but it's being shared across board, and they are getting the players to come in. After the game, Daniel Farker said, we face the best side in Europe. We have to accept their quality. Whatever we did, they always had an answer. And Arsenal team definitely, on paper, are the best side in Europe. Which, there have been pressure on Arne Slot, and he had to deliver. And at home, in a very big game against Newcastle, I think he did everything just right. There were just a few things that happened alongside in the game that needs to be spoken about. And it is this. Liverpool going down in the 35th minute and needing reaction. See, Rich, maybe people have not seen the quality of Hugo Ekitike in that match. He was the real deal. If you look at the goals that Ekitike scored, especially the one or the Malik Thiaw about outside, and with the outside of his boot, smashed and gets Liverpool that equalizer, you can see the quality of our brand here friend Hugo Ekitike all across currently in the English Premier League. If you want, say this season you're starting, players are changing clubs, different clubs. When you mention Ekitike or you mention Joao Pedro, you mention Ekitike. I don't have the numbers of it, but the quality. Almost every week, some players and more so at Liverpool. Hugo Ekitike is doing a fantastic job. Frank Viet was the man of the match of the day. And Rich, slowly but surely, our branch friend Florian Wirtz, the confidence, the courage, everything is beginning to go for him. 10 games, 6 goals, and 2 assists for Liverpool this time. Now him say our branch friend Ibrahim Konate ni papa free before the Liverpool game.
Sure.
He went quickly with the family to who's only a Muslim, so they do the burial rites quickly. Came back in to play the game. The emotions after so she go and celebrated, and then the grief began to dawn on him. I like the fact that Liverpool players were right there for him, Virgil van Dijk and our branch friend Ryan Gravenberch. Now, how much what we heard, and it's a Liverpool for have finalized a deal for player and Chelsea for one dinner for the very long time. Chelsea did not pull out. It's a proper hijack. Liverpool stepped in and got a job done on our branch friend Jeremy Jacket. They've agreed a deal of 60 million euros, 60 million pounds and 70 million euros for our branch friend Jeremy Jacket to become the new player. Which he is the upgrade and exact replacement of our branch friend Ibrahim Konate. French, tall, physical, very combative. Obetina stepping up into the midfield. Chelsea have not gotten Jeremy Jacket. Liverpool for stepped up. They were quick. They paid the money, and then they've gotten their player. He stopped, and that is all. On Saturday, Liam Rossini had to continue the consistency. I know what started building at Stamford Bridge. Honestly speaking, I didn't expect it to be that difficult for Liam. Who starting lineup, which I could understand what he wanted to do. Or with players Ernesto Kakra, Marco Correa played against Napoli. Wesley Fofana played against Napoli. Chaloba Obemu second half, so it was about the rotation. And that was the game plan. Right from the blast of the whistle, Chelsea just could not break West Ham down. 4-4-1-1 on normal ball. And for me, there are 2 key reasons. Before the game, Estevão Willian wasn't present because there was a family emergency that he had to attend to in Brazil, so he had traveled. It means that Chelsea wingers Naka, Joao Pedro Neto, Garnacho, and Gittins. Liam Rossini felt that so Garnacho and Gittins rather, and the rest Pedro Neto, team, which for me was a wrong decision at the beginning because Omi are natural left-footed wingers. So if you play, especially Gittins, are on finding the feet in a team that will make it difficult for him to break them down against Diouf, then you are going to find it very, very problematic. Came back with Cole Palmer, Moises Caicedo and a branch friend Enzo Fernandez reach halftime 2-0. Good goals from Gerard Bowen and a branch friend Crescencio Samaviel. Solid display. And me surprised say your ball match we even at halftime. Next Chelsea for no player more bone of support power was a branch friend Garnacho.
Yeah.
You see, Rich, I said this thing over here. When Chelsea were going to buy Garnacho, I don't like that I told you so. But Garnacho was never an update on anything that Chelsea had. You play against teams that shut up shop. You need to be able to beat them 1v1. Garnacho does not have it. I saw the data that people pulled up. He doesn't have it. And it was very clear in that game. You see, say, oh, your manager. I told you one thing the very first day I listened to Liam Rossinier, what I picked up from what he was saying. Say, it looks as if he's looking for the low-hanging fruits. Then a Chelsea team more lucky. And for me, it's more psychological. The psychological part of football, that is where he looked to really effect first before even changing a lot on the training field. Because almost about Champions League, almost about League, you don't even get time on the training field. And if you listen to Liam, he says that they do a lot of training sessions, a lot of meetings. And in those meetings, he teaches them how to handle bad times. Liam said, "Oko half time, you know. One Chelsea player, one catch Robia say we need to turn it around." He just made some changes and told them, "Say so, no." And then they let West Ham know somebody watching them and they'll get a result. And truth be told, in the second half, the changes that was made, Wesley Fofana, his ball carrying ability from deep, finding a branch friend Joao Pedro at the far post, heading home, making it 2-1. Then Marco Correa coming in to come and play that Garnacho role by rotating and overlapping with a branch friend Enzo Fernandez on the left-hand side, got into the box, far post header from a branch friend Malo Gusto. Again, Liam Delap, he won't get a lot of credit, but once in the box, Chelsea needed Liam Delap's ability. Fiifi, somebody that can occupy the two center backs. The ball flips up, and a branch friend Marco Correa was able to head home and make it 2-1. In the second half, the tactics changed. It was a two center back thing with Fofana and a branch friend and Chaloba. Then two midfielders in Enzo Fernandez and a branch friend Moises Caicedo. Then in between the lines, Chelsea had more players. So what shall I say? Malo Gusto was the right winger. Pedro Neto was inside, and a branch friend Marco Correa in that area as well, to be able to control and then move the team around. I think that made a lot of sense with Chelsea for plan in the second half, and that was obviously what was able to get Chelsea the win. And the final one was a branch friend Joao Pedro setting up Enzo Fernandez. What a ball! Saturday was exactly 3 years Enzo Fernandez be a Chelsea player, and I think that he reminded.
I could create a goal, no?
Yeah.
A choir Fofana.
Yeah.
A setting out, I mean, was fantastic.
Yeah.
Pinpoint cross into the box.
Joao Pedro first goal.
No, I'm talking about Kukurea.
Okay.
They are Fofana.
Yeah.
That pinpoint cross, no.
Yeah.
I mean,
it was a very good one. Yeah.
But I think the difference between Mayeska and Mayeska, no. The player named Bobo Krana, Unyani dia, change around 75th, 80th minute.
Yeah.
But Liam, no, also, he's rotating.
Yeah.
But those starting game now on Yadia. Quickly, no, I change.
Where you were from?
I think and no magic man.
But Rich, the problem is that Chelsea cannot Saudi when you're sustainable.
The rotation,
you can't always be coming back. Napoli,
Sure.
This one too. No, it's not sustainable.
For how long? Yeah.
Liam should be able to get a foothold of the starting 11, then dominate games and win it. That is where he has to be. Oh yes, it's difficult.
On say the decision that goes into it.
Yeah.
Ebia, for example, to say they're now okay. On also few say net to Wabre.
Yeah.
Every Chelsea game he's playing to Wabre Kaka.
Yeah.
I'm wrestling with you. But so Park and it's not result now. Decision.
Yeah.
People will come and on board.
Sunday morning be a mama rescue losing a Jumano because Opeso Boko.
And I'm a coach in your damn.
Yeah. Doctors say Aquano, it's no abono. A dose won't even be. Or say no, oh yes, I will try me send a minion Juma. Doctor said baby, must be protective player. No, you're quite by a prayer back. Baby. So the job is very, very difficult. But that was the very first time since the Premier League era in the English Premier League at Stamford Bridge, Chelsea for turning around in terms of coming down from 2-0. Quickly, Manchester United. Enzo Fernandez at Chelsea this season, 11 goals or your first, 8 assists or your first, goals plus assists 19 or your first, chances created 88 or your first, chances created from open play 77 or your first successful fouls 646 or your first. I've said it several times. Say team in Korea, people look out for certain things. Once the team begins to score, there's good. Which the vibes continued at Old Trafford. And I think that in the first half, there were a few difficult moments for Manchester United in terms of chance creation. After saying, we say your goal was from a penalty shout, and a man free kick, and a free kick in a Casemiro Pemche. But from then, it was a little bit difficult for United to break down the Fulham side. But I think there's something that's very clear.
Complacency.
Complacency.
You share two, you never use a game.
Okay.
And you never also know Maticano.
Yeah.
So quickly, now says I am Yamaina in your third goal. That's what happened.
Okay.
What
analysis near you?
Oh, hey. Some meeting, no.
Okay.
I know the Manchester United I'm a supporter.
You know them.
A complacency. You share two near you.
I also think the second half change of taking out Casemiro and bringing out Ugarte, also prevented United from getting a foothold on the game proper. Because again, ABR person arrested Casemiro Kakra by bringing in Ugarte. Ugarte on the ball wasn't the best. And he gave a lot of possession to Fulham, who then came at Manchester United. But for me, the most important thing is about the control of the game and the ability to come back. United kept on pushing even when the game became 2-2 and managed to win it by 3-2. And I think that is very, very good stuff. And Michael Carrick keeps on. Bruno Fernandes is out of this world. When you play him as a number 10, you get results. Bruno in a correct structure. Normally 2 players here, you get Bruno.
So now it's clear. Amorim was the problem.
Amorim was playing a different structure.
It's a problem. Because
it's just 3 games.
No, and yet 3 games. Because you want to say,
but it's just games.
Maybe. One can say, so Bruno or number 10.
Yeah.
A different animal.
Yeah.
So Bruno number 8.
Yeah.
As not restricted. No.
Yeah.
Could be mine with bad team. So one can do.
Yeah.
So and no, I mean, game. At a point, you say, same place, same water for the game.
Yeah.
Because Manchester United, baby, and your book game, and you're finding very difficult was Old Trafford.
Yeah.
But it says your book gamer, you could see a team, a different team, and you be out.
It's not
Saki.
It's just 3 games.
And then character buying or catch a players and say, look, so be catch them someone yadia. And you new football.
Yeah.
You guys are good. Monko Park is not Monko body with him. Player profile.
Yeah.
And now why 1 or 2 trick clear be the other team. And the team looks solid team. This is Manchester United. Say you both game with Old Trafford. Thank you 2. Not open and attacker. Now you go ahead to win the game. And see against Arsenal.
But I'm saying,
at the point I need
what I'm just saying is that Rich, just so you don't come back and come and beg. It's just 3 games. It's a little bit measure. A good result.
Begging me. But it's not me beg it's a day.
Okay, Martin. On beg, yeah, Martin.
Team not for form. Me begging my today.
Mami wrap up now.
For wrap up.
What I'm saying is that even your Chelsea year campaign, it's not sustainable. You need to get better foothold of games. Until kind of now, you need to be very careful. And sign up back, you come and beg over the weekend. Madrid stayed at home to play against Vallecano. Madrid will both few Vallecano and in your match. But this one they labored. Rich, what is going on at Football Club Real Madrid needs to be looked at, especially with certain performances that players be the mom. But for that last minute penalty, which I think was a penalty, Madrid would have been able to win that match.
We are relying on Mbappe is a problem.
Yeah. You see, so Madrid consider you forget even about the attacking side. Vini scored a solid goal last season against Vallecano. He scored a solid goal. This is a solid goal. Vini is playing okay, but when you look at the goal that Madrid conceded from Aurelien Tchouameni, nowhere. Almost center for the winning ball when he's in the box. It was very questionable. You see, when Madrid fans begin to tell Florentino Perez say he needs to beef up the middle, it's true. Barcelona have not spent so much. But in terms of quality of players that get to come there, whether from the La Masia or whatever, they are quality. Look at Pedri and all of these guys, Marc Bernal. Madrid are suffering with quality. Aurelien Tchouameni form that they play. And Madrid need to find a way to either get him back or get somebody that gives him proper your friend is saying competition. Oh, while I was talking about Tchouameni from Madrid, at Barcelona, maybe Frankie de Jong won't come on. Rich. If Frankie gets to play as he's playing, Barca will not miss Pedri. Over the weekend against Elche, it was solid. Now, for the people who don't know the history between Barcelona and Elche, you probably would have thought it was a simple game. Elche only played good football. In fact, there were large parts of the game where they were dominating it. You see, Sarabia, the coach of Elche, will be our year junior Barcelona club open as an assistant manager. So he was also free flowing, more possession dominant, playing out from the back, and that's something that he did very well. Lamine Yamal is scoring goals, which you see what I say, at the crucial stage of the season. So Washa, you baby was season you start winning trophies, you start taking caps, and that is where Lamine Yamal's goals are beginning to come. If he keeps on like this, one shiny year, if Barca keeps on winning, when the Ballon d'Or conversations come up, we'll keep on mentioning his name. Now, this weekend, Rich, Uncle Phony Day, Saturday, Day, Sunday, boys are coffee, deeper. Now, there is a secret about Monday matches. I am confirmed 10 trap, but usually every time there is a win. Because Monday matches are very, very straightforward. There are a few, and we analysis no slightly well, we're able to get your win. To show,
okay.
My member with TFO code Kakrabine, Omunko Fikesi Munko Cha. First code I made your mom a BW 38431911. Second one I made them mom a BW 38430DBB. Third one a BW 383BAB6C. Fourth and last one a BW 383BA457. Rich, these are better codes and Medema with T4. Some Franco Ficasi.
Some of Badu men say, Rich, I think people haven't realized the mastermind behind Michael Carrick's success at the moment. Chelsea ex-assistant manager Steve Holland is key to success. He did it with Chelsea and England. Yes, I know.